Hello friends, I Dr. Sujata Patil, ARP Garud College Shenduni. Today we are going to learn about the types of sets. Before that we learned about definition, meaning of sets as well as notification of sets. Now it's time to learn about the types of sets. Friends, there are different types of sets. For example, finite set, infinite set, empty set, subset, superset, universal set, overlapping set, disjoint set, complementary set. Now we study about the description of that set. First of all, there is finite set. Finite set means a set which contain finite number of elements. For example, set of even numbers from 2 to 12. Here is the example is given. For example, a equal to 2 to 12, which are even numbers start from 2 to 12. Then set of all vowels, that is y equal to a, e, I, o, u. Set of numbers start from 1 to 10. These are the examples of finite set. Means finite set consists of elements which we can count. One can count the number of elements in the set, as well as process of counting terminates at some point, that is known as finite set. Opposite to this is infinite set. Infinite set means a set which contains infinite number of elements. That is, we can't count that numbers, as well as counting never terminates at somewhere. So that is known as infinite category of set. That is, a set which is not finite is known as infinite set. For example, a equal to 1, 2, 3, there is no limit for numbers. X equal to a, b, c, d, there is no limit for alphabets. So these are known as infinite set. Then next is empty set. Empty set means a set which contain no element. So it is known as empty set. Nothing is there, no element is there, so it is also known as void set, that is meaningless. Then it is also known as null set. No element is there. It is written as a equal to only curly braces or by using the symbol which is given on the slide. Then next type is subset. Subset means if one set consists of elements of another set, then that set is known as subset. For example, here is the example of two sets are given. A equal to a, b, c, g, h and b equal to a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h. Then we can say that a is a subset of set b, because every element of set a is also the element of set b. So a is a subset of b and b is known as superset of set a. Here is the example of proper subset, because every element of set A is in the set B and A is not equal to set B. So it is a proper subset type. If all the elements are in the set B, that is if A equal to B, then we can say that this type is improper subset. Improper. This is proper, and if all the elements are same, a equal to b, then we can say that that type is improper subset. Then next is superset, which already told, that is if a is a subset of set b, then b is a superset of set a. Then next type is universal set. Universal set means a set which consists of all the elements of all subset. For example, here three sets are given, A, B and C. A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. B consists of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and C consists of 0 to 4. all the elements within these sets present in the universal set, avoiding the duplication. Duplicate elements are avoided. So, if all sets under consideration are subset of a particular set, say U, then U is a universal set. In universal set, we write here all the elements from all sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as well as 0 which is in the set C. So universal set holds all the elements of subset. Universal set holds all the elements of all the subsets which are necessary to hold by the universal set. For example, under our university all colleges comes. So university is a universal set of all colleges. Then next is overlapping set. Overlapping set means if two sets are overlapping, then there is at least one common element in them. For example, X consists of vowels A, E, I, O, U and Y consists of A, B, C, D, then one common element in these two sets, that is A. So these sets are overlapping. At least one element should be there which is in both sets, at least one element. Second example is P equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Q equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. That is 2 and 4 are repeated in the second set. So at least one element is repeated, so it is known as overlapping set. So at least one common element should be there, that is necessary to say the set is overlapping. Then next is disjoint set. Opposite to overlapping set, if no common element in the two sets, then it is known as disjoint set. For example, P equal to ABCDE, Q equal to FGH. No element is repeated, no element is common, so P and Q are disjoint sets. Then next type is complementary sets. Complementary sets means the set of all elements in the universal set which are not the element of that set. For example, here sentence is given, the complement of set A is the set of all elements in the universal set U which are not the element of in the set A. For example, A equal to 1, 3 AC, U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 ABC which is universal set, then A complement is equal to 2, 4 B, and A complement is written as a, which is shown on the slide, A and dash. Complement of set is denoted by this sign. Means universal set holds the elements, but that set which is written by us not holds all the elements of the universal set, and the elements which are not held by our set is known as complement of our set. That is, elements which are not exist in our set that are complement of our set. So this is known as complementary set. So friends, these are the types of sets. I think that you understood all the types. If any difficulty, then ask me in the chat box. Okay, thank you. Thanks.